In today's video, I'm going to show you how to schedule multi-channel marketing campaigns in Mailchimp, step by step, so you can plan your sends in advance and keep your marketing organized. If you manage campaigns for different audiences or different channels, scheduling them properly can save you a lot of time and help you stay consistent with your messaging. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your Mailchimp account and get to the main dashboard. Once you're inside, look for the Campaign section and click on it. This is where all of your existing campaigns are stored, and it's the starting point for making edits to any email you want to schedule. After that, you'll see a list of the mail campaigns you've already created. Select the email that you want to edit. Make sure you choose the correct one, especially if you have multiple campaigns running at the same time. Once you've opened the right campaign, click Edit. This will take you into the campaign editor, where you can adjust the settings before sending. Now look for the Send Time option. Click on it and then choose Schedule. This tells Mailchimp that you don't want to send the campaign immediately. Instead, you want to prepare everything now and have it go out later at the exact time you choose. At this point, it's important to know that this scheduling feature may require an upgraded plan. If you don't see the option available, that may be because your current plan doesn't include scheduling tools for this type of campaign. So if needed, you may need to upgrade your Mailchimp plan before you can continue. Once scheduling is available, set the date and time you want the campaign to go out. Take a moment to double-check the time zone as well, because that can affect when your audience actually receives the message. Choosing the right time can make a big difference in open rates and engagement, so it's worth being careful here. After you've entered the date and time, save your settings. Mailchimp will keep the campaign queued until the scheduled send time arrives. That means your campaign is ready to go automatically without you needing to be online when it sends. And that's it. You've now learned how to schedule multi-channel marketing campaigns in Mailchimp. This is a simple but powerful way to stay ahead of your marketing tasks and keep your workflow running smoothly. If this video helped you out, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Mailchimp tutorials and easy step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.